Hi to all. This afternoon I want to show you the component about my FPV system. This system in the next video I will put on my DJI drone. Okay, this is the cam. I left the protection. This cam capture the image. This is the transmitter and the relative antenna. This go in this place when I left the protection. This transmitter go on the drone. Also, I think in the package this piece. I think it have the function for cool the component and think this cable that need for replace the original cable if you need to fix it. This piece is the receiver and this is your relative antenna. This piece will connect on the phone with this cable, and when we do that, I mean connect this piece on the mobile, when download the app, the image will send in your phone and we can able to see it. Okay, this is the first part of the video. The next part of the video I will connect all and try and test too if all go right before to put a fix all on the drone. Bye for now.